Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now let's look at how to set up a Gmail SMTP server. Now you don't need this for normal Gmail use, but it's really helpful if you want Gmail to send emails from a website, an app, or tools like WordPress or a CRM. So let's go step by step. If you find this video useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Gmail and click on the top right corner, your profile icon right here, and make sure you're on the correct account. Then click on Manage your Google account. From the menu on the left, select Security, then scroll down and make sure two-step verification is on. Now the two-step verification has been turned on. If your two-step verification is not turned on, this won't work. So next, go to the top search bar right here and type in our password. Then you click the result. Here you are required to create a new app password by entering a name like say SMTP and then go on to click create. Google will generate a unique 16-character password. You can copy this password and keep it safe, or better still, keep the tab open. After you've gotten the password, you now need to go back to the SMTP setup page. So I'm just going to do this with a test tool, but you may be actually doing it with a website or whatever it is you're setting up. So now we need to start filling this in. So for the SMTP server address, what you need to do is go and type in smtp.gmail.com like so. Then for the port, enter 465, and for security, select SSL. So for the username, enter your full Gmail address right here. For the password, paste in the app password you just created. Now for the from email address, you have to paste in your email address right here. Now for what you are doing, you may not have a tool email address, but we are doing a test, so we do. So I'm going to enter in this same email address right here, and we can then click on test it. And now an email should be sent here, and here it is. The test message has come through and you can see it up right here. Of course, yours might be slightly different and you may not be doing a test as you're setting it up on a different website. So that's it. You've successfully set up your Gmail SMTP server. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.